I got a little song for you.
Hey cousins, welcome back for another video. So today we're going to be talking about this headband wig that I have on right now. Isn't she lovely? I'm geeked. So y'all, are y'all tired of headband wigs? Because I'm not. They're so convenient. You can wear them to work. You can wear them while you're working out. You can wear them while you're running errands or just chilling at the house. Headband wigs are so convenient. I stand, okay? I stand for headband wigs because when you need to get up and go and you don't have time to really glue a lace down, curl hair, or whatever have you, a headband wig is so convenient. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, this is from NadulaHair. I will have all their information linked down below in my description box, along with a direct link to this beauty. This is NadulaHair 20-inch curly headband wig, and this is how she looks in her natural state. This is day 2 of me wearing this wig, so I'm about to walk you through the process, which is so simple, of how to apply this unit. And then I'm going to show you a few styles, and then we're going to add some water and some product to this unit to see how she looks with the curls defined, because I'm curious. But right now I'm loving how she looks big and diva-like. Y'all know how I do over here. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let's get right into this video. As promised, I'm showing you how you apply a headband wig. All you need to do is simply plop the wig on your head. I like to add the comb in the back, and then I use the Velcro headband piece and I just snap that in place. And then this is how it will look if you just like to rock your headband just like that. Like maybe you don't have any edges or you suffer from hair loss, then this way can work for you. But I like to go ahead and roll mine back. And y'all keep in mind, this hair is in its complete natural state right now. I washed it and I conditioned it, and this is how it looks. I lightly fluffed it out. Of course, y'all know I love me some big curly hair. So this is how the hair will look if you fluff it out and you just give it a little bit of oomph. Now I'm going to hop into the styling session. So I'm going to hush and let you guys see the styles that I came up with. Feel free to comment down below and let me know which styles that you are loving.
Relationships nowadays just a death sentence, ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I think that trying is just a...
So I'm back on my healthy journey. As you guys know, I've been in and out of that motion, so I'm back working out. So I love headband wigs for working out. You can throw it in a bun or a ponytail, and you can work out at home, or you can work out at the gym. You can go for a walk. But another thing I wanted to mention is, do not sleep on headband wigs. because you can dress them up, add you some accessories, beat your face if that's your prerogative, and throw you on a cute outfit, and you can definitely rock a headband wig to date night.
What I can to make sure you ain't pissed off. Life's a merry-go. We like that merry though. Let you rock the mic, get right on every note. We reach for new heights, a sight for us so eyes. But to their surprise, these vibes they'll never know. Here we go again. Thinking about you in the flesh, thinking about you in that dress. Yeah, I'm a mess, but when we
This nice little fluffy ponytail is one of my favorite styles because on a daily basis, I like to be comfortable, so I like to throw my hair up in a ponytail or a bun and just run out the door. Now I'm going into this curly hair routine slash defining styling session because I wanted to see as well as show you guys how this hair looks when you define the curls. This headband wig is bomb. NadulaHair, I love it. You see how beautiful it looks fluffed out? Yes, but it looks absolutely amazing with the curls defined as well. This wig has endless. I gotta repeat that. You get like endless styles with headband wigs. Please do not sleep on them, especially if you are a lazy person or if you just need a backup unit in between hairstyles. Y'all, you cannot go wrong. I didn't get any shedding or tangling with this unit other than when I was combing through it, and I got a minimum amount when I washed it, but it wasn't nothing crazy. This is an effortless style. I gotta keep saying it is so versatile. Definitely don't sleep on headband wigs. Can you see that versatility, sis? Get the natural vibes, get the defined vibes. We love to see it. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig or just seeing what NadulaHair is talking about, I'll be sure to make all their information available for you guys in my description box. Do you see the look on my face? Yes, I absolutely am in love with this wig. It's gorgeous. Y'all know I love curly hair. Y'all know how we do over here in the OhSo fam, okay? So I love for you guys to be a part of my family. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, you can do that by subscribing, and just like that, instantly you will become a part of the family and you will become one of my cousins. I want to thank all my loyal supporters for rocking with me today, and until the next video, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Love ya. Bye. You see that with them defined curls? That's 4 hours later, sis. And the hair is still popping. Period. Bye, y'all. Love you.
all I see